Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all? I hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Today is very important topic, and in this video we will discuss about how to detect a full body, mean the body detection and identification by using OpenCV in a Python. First we need to import CV2, and then from cvzone.pose module import pose detector. Okay, what it will do, this module estimate the pose point of a human body using a media pipe library. This is very important, so we need to import this one. Once we will import, then we need to declare a variable detector, and this constructor, the pose detector, it will whatever this module it will detect, it will save it in the pose detector. Now we need to add the camera object. So this one I already explained in my previous video, how we can import the camera object, and by using there is a variable cap is equal to cv2 dot video capture 0. If we will write a 0, it means it will take a default camera. So whatever the camera is default attached, so we will write a 0 here inside these curly bracket, these small brackets. Okay, so after that we need to write a while loop. So while loop, it will capture the video frame by frame continuously. So this is a loop, we will use a while loop. Okay, so then we need to once we will get the frame from the webcam, then I will send these frame to find the landmark. Before landmark, we need to read and save it in an image variable, and then we need to send these frame which we get it from the webcam. Then I will send these frame to the to find the landmark of our body. Okay, so for this one we need write image is equal to detector, detector detector dot find find pose, and here we will write image argument inside this find, because it will find the landmark here. So find, then what we need after that, we need what we need it, so we need to find the pose landmark in an image of BGR color space. So here we will just add a parameter image to find the pose, whatever the pose we will take. Okay, so pose in, so lm landmark list, this is a variable bounding box info, okay, is equal to detector dot find position, and inside we need to declare this one, the image parameter, and then bounding box we will do it later on. Okay, so I will show you what is the function of bounding box with hand if we will write it to inside this bracket. Okay, so it will send us the list of point and bounding box info. So now we need to display the result. So how we can display the result? cv2.im show. So here we need to write the title of the window. So what should be the title of the window? Where the result is shown, where the video is shown. So here just write my result, and then we need to pass this parameter img, and then we need to add a little delay, so at least it will we can see the one. Once any key will press, then it should destroy all the windows. So let me run the program, and then you will see how we can, what will program running. You can see here now it is working fine. So let me go a little bit back, and then you will see here, now you can see here, oh, so you can see now it is detecting my full body. You can see here now I'm stretching my body, but this bounding box, if once I'm stretching my hands, it is not covering my body, it is not stretching itself with my hand once I am stretching the hand. So here what we need to do, that is why I told you before, with this find pose image, here we need to add one more parameter. So what is this parameter here? So bounding box with hand, we need to make it true. Okay, once it will be true, then once we will stretch the hand, it will also the bounding box will also get stretched. Now you can see here, see now it is stretching and now it is fine. Did you observe? So this is the video today. I just want to show you, and I hope you like this video, and please like and subscribe to Haider Tech, and see you inshallah in next video. Thank you.